metal. Bingo! We proudly present live from the cars here, go-go whopping, the incomparable Judge Dredd and the incontinent Ivor Biggun. Take it away, lads.
Good evening, Mr. Biggun.
Good evening, Mr. Dredd. It's nice to see you sober.
I thought that you were dead. Before your eyes we'll exercise that rumping pumping beat. A brand new workout, physical jerk out, this'll get you off your feet. Bonkola, Bonkola, exercise for the knob. Bonkola, Bonkola, good to be on the job.
Now I'm a wanking wonder with a muscular right arm, thudding on the pudding, pumping Percy in the palm.
But I prefer Bonkola, you hardly have to budge. Just be upstanding, stuff your glanding. Hang on girls, here comes the judge. Bonkola, Bonkola, exercise for the knob. Bonkola, Bonkola, good to be on the job. It's awfully good for the figure.
It's frightfully good for the health.
I do it with him and with bigger.
And I just do it myself. Come on, Judge, let's get bonking.
Exercise for the knob. Bonkola, Bonkola, good to be on the job. Now if you're good at press-ups, this is really up your street.
Try 'em on the carpet with a lady underneath.
But if you grunt and groan a lot and still can't get it right,
Don't complain, what a shame. You'll have to practice every night.
Bonkola, Bonkola, exercise for the knob. Bonkola, Bonkola, good to be on the job. It's so good to be on the job. It's so good to be on the job. It's so good to be on the job. Here, Ivor, you know what? You really are a wanker.
Oh, shut up, donkey dick.